Starlights, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing a very detailed eyebrow tutorial, so like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe, and we're going to jump right into this video. I'll be using my Makeup Forever Mattifying Primer to prime my eyebrows. This will make sure that all my hairs are in place and that my eyebrows aren't going anywhere throughout the day. The brush I use to fill in my eyebrows is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in shade 5. You want to start off by drawing a line following the shape of your eyebrow at the bottom, but when you do this, you don't start at the very front because later on you're going to brush it out so it can have like a gradient effect, and then you do the same thing for the top of your eyebrow. For this eyebrow, you'll see that when I fill it in, it's actually a little bit thicker than what my eyebrows actually are, but it's because I have a scar, so my hair grows in a little funny. So it's fine if your eyebrows are a little bit thick when you're filling it in, because you can thin it out when you use a concealer later on. Done outlining your eyebrows, you want to make sure you're brushing it out with your spoolie to make sure that the colors aren't harsh and your eyebrows are looking so dark. And you want to just examine your eyebrows to see where you actually want to fill it in with more of the pencil. To conceal my eyebrows, I like to use my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in NW50. To conceal, I use a small angle brush and I apply the concealer a little bit on my eyelid and work my way up using the actual angle that's on the brush, and this just helps with precision. And when applying the concealer, you want to make sure that you're using small taps and not dragging the concealer across your lid. To blend the concealer downward into your eyes a bit, and I'm using a small rounded brush. I don't really know what it's called, but you can use a concealer brush or any brush you really use to blend anything out. that your eyebrows are even, you want to motion your brush from the eyebrow that you've already done to the eyebrow you're working on, kind of like making a fake line to make sure that they're starting at the exact same point. Realized I had way too much concealer to be using that little brush, so I had to bring out this big old fluffy brush to blend it out some more. Begin tapping the front of my eyebrows with the brush to blend out the colors a little bit more, and I also use the spoolie just to like make sure everything is gradient and things aren't looking harsh. And then again, I apply the concealer a little higher than where my eyebrow is, so I'm able to blend the concealer downward. And to do this, I use the longer side of the brush, and this just helps with getting it a little bit closer. Start off with concealing the front of my brow and then working on my tail, and then after that, that's when I adjust how I want my arch with the concealer. Let's get into this brow. But I do have a question. Did you subscribe yet? pretty much done. I just bounce back and forth between brushing it and blending it out with the big fluffy brush, or going back into filling some spots I feel like it needs a little more color. If you've made it this far along, I would like you to comment coconuts. But yes, this concludes the eyebrow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and I hope this helps you. But like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.